Python Boolean values. Why is it that in Python integers and floats are, without being evaluated in a Boolean context, equivalent to true? Other data types have to be evaluated via an operator or bool.
That's not true. Only non-zero numbers, or non-empty sequences / container types, evaluate to true.
Zero is evaluated to false.
Here is a use case. In Python, these are false. The Boolean value false itself. Any numerical value equal to 0, 0, 0.0 but not 2, or minus 3.1. The special value none. Any empty sequence or collection, including the empty string, but not 0, or high or false. And the empty list, A, but not 1, 2, 3, or 0A. Rest would evaluate to true. Read more.
From Python Documentation 5.1. Any object can be tested for truth value for use in an if or while condition or as operand of the Boolean operations below. The following values are considered false. None. False. 0 of any numeric type, for example 0, 0L, 0.0, 0J. Any empty sequence, for example a dot. Any empty mapping, for example a dot. Instances of user-defined classes, if the class defines a underscore underscore non-zero underscore underscore or underscore underscore len underscore underscore method when that method returns the integer 0 or bool value false. Why? Because it's handy when iterating through objects, cycling through loops, checking if a value is empty, etc. Overall, it adds some options to how you write code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.